Hello, hello, beautiful day today. I hope tomorrow the same. Nice, we enjoy a little bit to go take a walk on the beach. A lot of people over there. But now it's a time we gotta make something that's really, the farm is sell a lot of corn. And we make tagliatelle with a fresh corn, New Jersey fresh corn. And look at this, I prepared already nice, everything. What do we need? We need the corn, and I need the butter, and I need a little wine for start. Before we start, like this, more people can see this. And we say salute and chin chin to everybody. Chin chin.
So thank you to Carol for stars.
And thank you so much, Carl, for the star. Chin chin. Salute.
And Leslie.
And Leslie, thank you. Okay, now we put the gas on this pot, got one warm up. And this is the water for the pasta. And I want to put salt.
Hello everybody, thank you so much for coming back again.
Okay, salt 1 or 2 and a half. Okay. Now it's time for this, the water boil. Let me bring the butter and the corn.
Thank you everyone.
All right, this is the tagliatelle. And let's do salute chin chin, we got more people in May. And thank you for your support, and thank you that come every week, and thank you for the star. Chin chin, salute. Okay, now let's start with the tagliatelle. I put salt already. Okay, just I do like this. Kind of one start the break, got the water, you gotta break it by itself. And I wait a little bit before I start do this. Okay, now we got over here the butter.
Oh, Debbie, so congratulations, 9 jars of sauce, wow. How is your sauce, looking good?
Make the sauce.
Yeah, they made 9 jars.
9 jars, no sweat?
Yeah, they did sweat.
Yeah, no sweat and no sauce. Okay. Okay, now I've melted the butter. Quando mamma te l'ha fatta, quando mamma te l'ha fatta, che facette usare che c'è detto. Okay, now the butter, and this is the corn.
Mikey said they sweat.
Yeah, sweat. Facette un po' fatta, bisogna zingare, va divina con c'è.
Yeah, this corn is very sweet.
Mamma che io saccio meglio te.
I wonder if somebody made this dish already. This is really good.
Well, this dish, I don't want to say you gotta make it every single day, but at least one time a year, because now it's the time of the corn, and the corn is really sweet.
Yeah, it's very hot, yeah.
Orecchine, tutte fraule e giardine, zucchero e cannella, non basta sta bocca bella, we put salt. Bisogna zingare, ma divinare con c'è.
Debbie, she said they sweat a lot.
Io saccio meglio te.
Yeah, but we do different pasta. It's the same recipe, but we're using tagliatelle.
Mamma tu sei pazzandetta.
We didn't put time for pasta.
It's okay. una zingara per divinare con c'è. Fatte mamma io sacci nei tempi.
Hello everyone, thank you for watching.
Cincin salute and thank you for the start. And thank you so much to look every week some of the video. It makes me very, very happy. Cincin, salute.
We used to do long time ago, now no more. Yeah, the corn is really good, very sweet. We do this dish like once a year. This is so good. At least. I hope everybody is good with this heat.
See, still, look there.
Yes, what I'm saying.
Still it's standing up.
I know, tell me about.
Marie, uè Marie, da suonnaggia persa per te, famma dormire, notte abbrazzata per te, Marie, uè Marie. Noche verso per te, famma dormire, uè Marie, uè va. Okay, now let me taste.
Thank you, Dan. So thank you, Dan, for stars too.
Thank you, Dan.
Thank you, everyone. So good, huh?
The salt is good. Over here you say gotta eat at least one time a year the corn. When I was in my city in Italy, we was eat the corn every single day.
Debbie, she said, did you see any gators at the beach? Yeah, they were selling something. Thank you, Michelle.
Thank you very much, Michelle. Thank you.
They make barbecue, Gatorade barbecue.
And let's drink a little bit of me too. I'm drinking by myself. Look, my wife is, want to do that. And let's drink everybody together. Cin cin e salute. Thank you for your support and thank you for the star. Cin cin. Okay. Now what I want to do, the corn. I got it blend, okay? Over here, Eva. Look, it's enough.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
I put the water for the
Cin
pasta.
cin, Michelle. Salute, Mike. Debbie, everyone.
Thank you very much.
Debbie, she said you're not drinking alone. They drink with you.
Okay, thank you very much.
And cheese, you gotta take it out.
Oh yeah, the pecorino, yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, let's see. Oh, look at beautiful. Huh?
Oh, Michelle, she said everyone drinking with you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, let's drink a cincin salute. Thank you so much for the star cincin.
Debbie, she says she's happy you put the music back.
Thank you, thank you. So you see something, everybody see this little black thing? It's the black pepper, okay? It's not a born the corn. It's the black pepper when you put it, you got this color, okay? I like it to put a little bit more butter. Okay. And now, to the pasta, let me say.
Okay, good. So we have to play always.
A little bit.
Lisa, she says her husband is watching first time your video and they drinking with you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So welcome, Lisa, your husband. Thank you for watching. We're using Tagliatelle Pasta. But previously we did with pappardelle pasta.
Okay. The pasta is ready. Now?
You should try it because it's really good actually.
Shoo.
It's like very light. Tell the pasta what kind of pasta you're using.
Tagliatelle. Tagliatelle. Okay. All right. Okay, now we raise the gas a little bit.
No, it's no linguine.
Tagliatelle. Now, so you like little green, little parsley, you can put parsley too. But I don't use for me. But so you want, you can put little green. It's really, really good. You put a little cheese.
Yeah.
Okay, now I use a pecorino cheese.
I know in Italy everybody was carrying the tomatoes on their heads, everything. Yeah. Heavy things. Mikey said they were watching video from some picture from
Now,
Italy.
maybe nobody believe her. My mother, she was 75, 80 years old. I want to know, everybody, how many pounds she was carrying on her head. I want to say to somebody, you know, how many pounds she was carrying.
It looks so good. I can wait to eat.
Okay, now, I want to tell her how many pounds my mother, she was a carrier. In Italy, you go by kilo. She was a carrier 100 kilo the head. 100 kilo. Okay? It's a 200, maybe 20 pounds, 225 pounds and a head.
Leslie, she said 25 pounds.
25 pounds for what? One thing?
Debbie, she said 20. Mike is 100. Mike is close.
Okay, look how beautiful it come out and nice creamy. Look at that. Huh?
Yeah, beautiful.
Okay? And we turn the gas off.
Look at the dish over there.
Okay. Look how beautiful parsley from my garden. And I got the basil, it's like this. Big basil and the parsley.
Mikey said everybody cooking together.
Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, Lila. Cheese?
Debbie, if you make that dish, please post the picture and let us know if you like it. Yeah, thank you, Leslie. Yeah, it look really good. I can wait to eat that.
The corn is so sweet. And with the cheese, it's come out, it's really, really delicious. Really good.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Thank you very much to look at this video. I hope somebody make it and let me know. It's really, really good. Cincin salute, and we see next week. And we cook tomorrow night. Maybe six story for everybody. And thank you for your support. And thank you for the star. Cincin salute, and we see it again. Cincin.
Yeah, he has his page, Debbie. You can put on a Facebook on his page, and also where everybody posting pictures.
Yeah, you can put a picture on me.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Thank you everyone, and we will see you maybe tomorrow if you can watch it.
Really good.